Every great journey has an ending, but it doesn't just begin when you put the key back in your own front door. No, the real ending begins at that last stop. For us, it was a parking lot under a bridge in Orio, Spain. We watched the drops fall in the giant puddles in front of the campervan on the unpaved lot of Orio Barriatua campervan site. The sun came out. We were even able to have breakfast outside. After breakfast, we drove to our other familiar campervan site in Orio, under a gigantic concrete bridge of the A8 motorway. From there, you can walk into the village in just a few minutes. After 4 nights in Orio, we were here at the beginning of our trip. We hadn't yet seen the old town. We walked down the old street near the church built on the rock. Old Bilbao only had 7 streets, so old Orio couldn't be that big. Indeed, it remained just that one street. We climbed up to the parish church of San Nicolas de Bari and felt the wonderful energy of a new discovery. We had completely forgotten about the concrete bridge. The weather kept getting better. So, back to the camper, swimming trunks on, and off to the beach. This way, I still had the opportunity for a dip. And it was wonderful. The water was much warmer than in mid-May and also much warmer than my most southern dive at Nadaduro. Around 2 o'clock, we'd had enough. Our beach vacation was over. We walked back to the campervan. From here, the route was no longer further, but only home. The bridge suddenly felt like a gateway. The gateway to the return trip. Getting the van ready felt final. As we turned onto the highway, the landscapes of the Basque Country flashed by through a filter of nostalgia. Every image was already a memory in the moment. The conversations were brief. We were both lost in our own thoughts, lost in the movie of the past few weeks playing out in our heads. Orio was beautiful, an authentic discovery. It will always remain a special place for us. It was the beginning and end of our wonderful tour through northwest Spain and northern Portugal. Of course, this won't be our last trip. Follow our other trips and subscribe to our channel.